This is 601 24th Avenue. Let's go actually back up. Let's go into the living room first. All right, this very spacious living room with lots and lots of double pane windows. Sound out, warmth in. Nice crisscross hardwood floors. Bonus room right here. Look at this. This is a huge closet. You could almost make this an office, which someone obviously has. There's a nice window right here, bring lots of sunlight in. So it gives you a lot of options if you're working from home or need some flexible space. Nice little curved entryway here, very classic Santa Barbara style architecture. Again, this is a nice dining room, which then extends, and the fire escape's right here, so you have like a little mini landing, which is nice. And then here you have the kitchen dishwasher. Gotta love the dishwasher, deep sink, refrigerator, and then you have a stovetop, 4-burner stovetop. And then of course you have your oven. And then here, super nice, if you like in-unit laundry, laundry machines can go here, and then you also have closet cabinetry for all your laundry needs. All right, let's come out here. So trying to make a right, there's the front door again, and there's that room that it did not bring you through. So let's look at that. Steam heat. But that steam heat's no longer. We're using electric heat, so it's room controlled, which is really nice. Double pane windows in here, tall ceilings, picture railing. Again, hardwood floors, or softwood floors. And then a cedar closet. Look at this. Smells great. So lots of space there. Again, you could almost have an office in there too. All right, let's go across. If you want to get traditional, you can put your phone in there. Closet right here, so extra window treatments if you so desire. And then tub, nice sink, toilet, medicine cabinet, which is great. And then you have a nice shower here. Let's take a look at this medicine cabinet. And this is whoa, there I am. Right here, nice. All right, and then here's the tub. And more closet space. All right. So what do we have? This closet, that closet. Look, there's so many closets in here. Look, one more. Nice little for linens. All right. Thank you very much for watching. And Joseph's the showing agent for this. Give him a call or actually just come by one of his open houses. Those posted online. Cheers.